Hello everyone, my name is Varundeep Singh and I am using this Raintech software for the past I think 7 to 8 months now, and I have seen that this is the most useful software one person could have. The best part of this software is that it is very much user friendly, and the second best part is the second best part is the team who are handling this software, they are also very user friendly. In this software, everything is customized in such a manner that you can use the software in any way you can, and it will not going to hamper your speed, or it will not going to require any kind of training. Only you just need one day of training and you can just start using this software. You need not have to go to any of the person to ask for the software or to get confused with. This is not at all a confusing software. This is a very easy kind of software in which you can enter anything you want, you can exit anything you want, you can see any kind of report, and it is one of the software which I have researched a lot. I have researched many of the software, but I find this software, the POS Raintech software, is the best software. Uh, you must be thinking that why I am uh, advertising for this particular software so much, because if you can see that I have been asked that I should send a unbiased video regarding this software, so it is just a positive feedback for which I would like to give 4 stars out of 5 to this particular software. You can see I am using this software. I'll just tilt my camera for you to see this. Um, See, you can see the tabs given on the left hand side. You can see the report which is given on the right hand side. It is a very easy kind of software, and you can easily use it. You can easily create your products out of here. You can see I have created all my products. I have my school uniform business, and it is so useful for me that everybody I don't get time to just go through all the reports on the right hand side, but still I use it, and anytime I on the day I use it, I find it very much user friendly.